Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of posting multiple pictures in a single Instagram post. If you want to showcase a series of photos or create a captivating collage, this full guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Instagram on your Android device. Locate the Instagram app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're in the Instagram app, you'll notice a plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this icon to begin creating a new post. Now, scroll through the menu that appears until it stops on the New Post option. In most cases, it will be the first option in the menu. Step 3. Now comes the exciting part. Toggle the Select Multiple option. This will allow you to select and include multiple photos in your Instagram post. You can now choose up to 10 photos from your device's gallery. Take your time to select the photos you want to include. You can tap on each photo to add a check mark, indicating that it will be included in your post. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to post multiple pictures in an Instagram post. By following these simple steps, you can share a collection of moments or create stunning visual compositions to engage your followers. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We're here to help you out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.